everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we try to show something extremely basic and simple yet essential. It is a good practice to uninstall applications or programs which you do not need anymore so as to free up the space. So here we will be showing you 4 different yet interrelated methods on how to uninstall applications in Windows 10. So let's get started. The first method is using the control panel. As you can see, I have the option for the control panel right in my desktop. In case if you do not have it, you can simply go to the search bar at the bottom and enter control panel. Click on it. In the interface, you see that there is an option to uninstall a program over here at the bottom of the left side. You click on it and it will give you a list of all the applications and programs which have been installed in your laptop or your PC. And then you simply search for the program that you want to uninstall. So say suppose I want to uninstall Zoom, I'll click on it and then you will see that an uninstall button appears at the top over here, and you click on the uninstall button and it automatically gets uninstalled. It might take a few moments of processing, but eventually you will see that the name disappears from the list over here. So as you can see that the Zoom program has disappeared from the list, which means that the program has been uninstalled. The second method is something that you frequently use even for your smartphones, and it is the settings option. You can avail the settings option in the start menu by clicking on the settings icon in the left side. This will give you an option to click on apps, which will ultimately give you a list of all the applications or programs which have been installed in your laptop or PC. Then you simply have to search for that particular app that you want to uninstall. So say for example, I want to uninstall Cisco WebEx meetings. I'll click on it, which will give me a further option to uninstall. Then it will prompt me to confirm whether I'm sure about uninstalling it or not, and I'll click on yes. This alert box appears because of the Cisco app. The Cisco app wants to confirm whether I am sure about uninstalling or not. So yes, I'm sure I want to uninstall, and I click on it. Once it is done, you can click on done, and that app gets removed from all the list of the apps that you have uninstalled in your laptop or PC. The third method is exactly the same as the second method. The only difference is the way how you approach it. So in the third method, you have to go to the search bar and enter remove. This will give you a system settings which helps you uninstall the programs. By clicking on it, you are directly taken to the list of the applications that you can uninstall. This is exactly the same as what you've seen in the second method. The difference is that in the second method, you had to first go through the settings option where you would find another option for apps and then you would reach this interface. But in the third method, by simply searching for a system settings called removing or adding programs, you can come to this layout. The rest of the procedure remains the same as what you've seen in the second method, so we will not be showing it. But what you can note over here that through the second or the third method, you can go back to the first method. So on the right hand side, you can see an option for related settings called programs and features, and by clicking on it, it takes you back to the control panel that we'd seen in the first method, where you again get a similar list of applications and programs, and by clicking on any of it, you can again get the option of uninstalling. So as I mentioned that all the 4 methods are interrelated, one option takes you to the other option, and that is how you can uninstall any program. The fourth and the last method is to look for the application in the start menu. So say for example, I want to uninstall Python. I right click on it and I get an option to uninstall, which takes me to the control panel, which is again the same as the first method. Again, within the list of all the applications, I look for that particular program, which is right over here. I click on it and I click on uninstall, basically following the same procedure as the first method, and that way you will be done with uninstalling your programs. While Python is getting uninstalled over here, I suggest you go uninstall all the applications or programs which you think you do not need anymore. Hope you found this video informative. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.